Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix download error in VULMS. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, for this I'm opening my LMS, and in this you can see there are a bunch of lectures here. So guys, we see this problem in the older versions of Windows, but if you are using the latest version like Windows 10 and Windows 8, you will not probably see this error in your Windows. This error comes because of you have the older version of Chrome, or you have not updated it. So guys, so how to fix this error in your older version of Windows and older versions of your Chrome? So today I'm going to show you. So guys, I'm going to click the lecture file and I'm going to download it. So by clicking it, you can see nothing is happening. So how to fix it? Now you need to go to up here, which is showing here that this is the JavaScript which is blocked on your browser. So click on it and just always allow JavaScript, click on it and then done. Just reload your page and you are done. Now what you need to do, again go to your course website and lessons, and if you click it, you are good to go, and you can as well download your files. See. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share with your fellows, and see you in the next video.